Ko Rob Tiopira ahu, te kai whakahaere o Te Manawa Tūhoe. Te Manawa Tūhoe is the larger landmass that was withdrawn from the Tūhoe Waikaremoana Trust Board. And since its inception 2 years ago, it's developed into a primary business representing dairy farming, dry stock, and an array of forestry operations. The next one is Ahi Manawa. Ahi Manawa, as I already stated, is a block that we have total control over, and we will finish the harvesting of that in July. And we're already working towards the re-establishment, and we're working with neighbouring blocks to increase the land holding, to increase the value of the forest moving forward. And as we incorporate those new land blocks, we are encompassing whānau hapu by engaging in lease opportunities, and our whole philosophy is about providing for our own people. So we're leasing blocks and we're paying money to that whānau, to that hapu within the rohi.